Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Galaxy S9 has one more cool feature. Now you can shoot any video and use it as your live wallpaper. So in this video, let's find out how to do that. So go to your camera setting and go to live focus and record any video. For example, this one. It can be a moving object, it can be anywhere. Once you finish recording, you can just select the video, click on the three dots and set it as a wallpaper, as simple as that. You can also preview it, you can also edit it. You can make it a bit shorter if you want, or you can change the beginning as you like. Click on done, it will save the video, set as wallpaper, and just click on apply. That's it. So now whenever you turn on the device, you will have the video running as a live wallpaper. It's a cool new feature, looks really nice, but at the same time, it might affect a bit of battery life. So I think it's very good for charging the phone, but otherwise, it truly depends. If it's not taking a lot of battery life, you can always use it. It's a cool feature. Suppose you're working and you can keep the phone in the desk, and whenever you look at your phone, you have your family memories running or any nice video. It does feel good, so it's something nice. This was a short video. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.